Hello, friends from YouTube. Uh, Welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna fix this light. It doesn't turn on anymore, and it doesn't have a wire to switch, so it is controlled wireless. This is just a plate here. There is no cable behind, so it's working wireless. But it's not working anymore. Look at. You see that one lights a little bit, but not much. Okay. So everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to yourself or to your light. This video is for education purpose only. Thank you. Okay, be careful if your kids or pets are around, because we're working with power electric, and also they might grab your tools or something. Okay, so be careful. Okay, to fix the lamp, I ordered this from Amazon. It's called a remote control light socket, because I know one of that one is broken. Okay, so this light work with these sockets. Two sockets over here, and those sockets are controlled by this transmitter. This is a transmitter, and those two sockets are a receiver. One is broken, so that's why I already ordered one from Amazon. This is what I ordered. Let me show you what's in the box. So this is the socket, and also the instructions. Okay, it came with a screws here, just in case you wanna stick that on the wall. This is the remote control. As you see, there is no cables going in the back, so you just grab it. And before you use it, you need to pull this little blue tape here, so the battery will be active and turn on the control. Okay. Also read the instructions. Okay, so that way you will be safe and don't get an accident. Okay. I got this part from Amazon, but you can get it in any hardware store. Okay. So today we are not gonna use this, because there is one already there. So, but the only thing we need to do is program this new one with the remote over there. That's the only thing we need to do. Okay. So let me set up my phone, and I'm gonna start doing it. So I'm gonna start removing the socket. And also we're gonna remove this light bulb. So this one is broken, it doesn't work anymore. And then the other one. This one is working, but the bulb is not. Okay. So this one is the one that is broken. So we're gonna replace it with the new one that I ordered from Amazon. This is the new one. I'm gonna use these light bulbs because I couldn't find these ones, but I'm gonna use this one. You can use any one as long as it's the same size as the socket. You can even use color lights or whatever you want. Okay, and also I removed the glass from here that covers all this, but I don't really want to show you because I don't want to make my video super long. Okay, let's put the light bulb here. This is the one that was installed here, so this one is working, okay? Hold on 1 second. Okay, so that one is like I said, is working. So now let's install the new one. The new one. All of these sockets have a little button here. I don't know, right there, and there is a light next to. Okay, so I'm gonna install this one, and then to set up this new one with the remote control, we need to set it up, okay? So in order to work, otherwise it won't work, okay? I will show you how to do it. So right now that I have it here, I'm gonna show you. So this little button, after you install this, you need to press this button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and you're gonna see the light flashing slow. Okay, and then release the button. So after you see flashing slow, this light, after you see flashing slow this light here, then you release this button, and then on the control right here, you press on, wait 1 second, and then off, and then that's it. But let me show you, and I hope you can see it. Okay, so now let's do it. Okay, let me remove my phone from here. Okay, so now okay, there is the button here. So I'm gonna press it. I hope you can see the light. Let me see. I think this is better, okay? So I'm gonna press it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. There is the light flashing slow. Oh no, wait, sorry. I should stop it. Okay, wait. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so one more time. Let's press it. 3 seconds. 2, 3. Okay, now it's flashing slow. Okay, now that it's flashing slow, I'm gonna turn it on here. Okay, and then wait 1 minute and off. Okay, so now it should work. Just a minute. Okay, let me connect it. Okay, now it should work. So let's press on right there. Okay, so let me. Okay, so now you can. So now you can leave it here and off. Turn it off. On. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, I just finished, so now it's working. Okay, my light is working again. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe and support me. I am trying to fix whatever I can. Thank you so much. Have a great day.